Hi everyone. So today I'm here to talk about my yoga toes. So as you can see here, I have bunions, and bunions hurt. They hurt really bad, especially when you're walking for long periods of time and you start to develop pain in the bunion area on the side, on the back. And when that happens, all you want to do is to be able to strain your toes out. And you can either do that manually and crack them, or you can use something called YogaToes. And YogaToes is basically what you see in front of you now, and it is a rubbery silicone device that is designed to fit on each one of your toes, and it will space them out. And for about 15-20 minutes you wear them, and then you take them off, and it's meant to be a treatment from home for your bunions. It alleviates pain. It won't fix your bunions, but it will alleviate the pain associated with them. Actually, when I spoke to my podiatrist said that I would actually have to get my bunions operated on, in essentially breaking my foot and putting it back together in order for me to correct these problems. It's kind of hard to do this on camera, but you're supposed to get each individual toe separated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just push down, and I know it's hard to see, and maybe I'll move up a little bit. But as you can see, I got one toe in, and one toe is separated. And then you're going to continue to do this for the duration of the yoga toe, and you're going to separate each individual toe so that the therapy can work. So let me push it down a little bit, just so everything is separated into its individual slots. And then, that there. So that is a completed yoga toe. You see it from the top. You can see it from the side. You can also see it from looking straight on. You can actually see the spaces of where the yoga toe material is, and then where my toes are actually at. So without this yoga toe on, my toe will be all the way to the side here. But with the yoga toe, it separates the toes so that it can straighten it out and alleviate some of the pain that happens with the bunion. As far as walking, I've actually have walked using these. So you need to be able to learn how to walk on your heels. You may need to use the bathroom, you may need to get a drink of water. So you're basically going to be walking on your heels, because if you're walking like you normally would, you might fall. So that's an important thing to note. But walking is definitely possible while you're using your yoga toes. You could walk around with them, and I'm just kind of walking on my heels here. So you can, and now I'm kind of like standing, but I usually just walk around on my heels when I need to go to and from somewhere. Now I'm going to take them off, and I'm going to show you what happens. And I'm going to do this one because this one's been on the longest. So ripping them off is pretty easy. But as you can see, even if it's 5 minutes, there are some slight spaces in the toes, and I can actually feel the air going through them. So I would highly recommend that you find these online and you buy them yourself, because they are absolutely awesome. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks so much.